morning, children. Today, let us start the next group, that is group 17 elements. Which group? Group 17 elements. Now, what are the elements which are present in the group 17? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Okay? We are doing group 17 children or group 7A. 7th A, they are also known as halogens. Since the group number is 7, so they are having 7 electrons in the outermost orbit. How many electrons? 7 electrons in the outermost orbit. Now the first, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. The electronic configuration is NS2NP5. What is the electronic configuration? NS2NP5. Since the group number is 7A or 17th group, so they are having 7 electrons in the outermost orbit. So they need 1 electron to complete the octet state. Now the general electronic or the physical properties we are doing, children. The general electronic configuration of group 17 is NS2NP5. Okay. Now chlorine, for example, the atomic number is 17. Now, so what is the electronic configuration of the chlorine? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, comma. Then we have to open the new shell. 3s2, 3p5. So this is the outermost shell. How many electrons are there? N is equal to 3. S subshell is having 2 electrons and it is having 5 electrons. Second point is atomic size. Now, according to the periodic trend, as we are moving from left to the right hand side, with the increase in the atomic number, atomic size decreases. So therefore, halogens are having the least atomic size in the particular period. Halogen, as we are moving from left to the right hand side, with increase in the atomic number, atomic size decreases. Since halogens are second last group, the last group is P block, and the sixth group is inert gases. Now here, so halogens are having the least atomic size. Now next is ionization potential or ionization energy. They do not have any tendency to gain an electron. Since they are having, they do not have tendency to lose the electron. Since P block, there are 5 electrons are there, they need 1 electron to gain to complete the octet state. So ionization, so they do not have any tendency to lose an electron. So the ionization enthalpy of halogens is very high. Now next is, children, electronegativity. Now they have very high electronegativity. The electronegativity decreases down the family. The electronegativity, fluorine is the element having the maximum electronegativity. So the electronegativity decreases down the family. Now next is fourth property. What did we do? Electronegativity. Electronegativity decreases down the family. Now the fifth point is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. Now these elements are having, halogens are having the maximum negative gain enthalpy in the corresponding period. Now this is due to the fact that atoms of these elements have only one electron less than noble configuration. So the electron gain enthalpy of elements of this group becomes less negative down the group. However, the electron negative enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of the electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is lesser than that of the chlorine. Okay children, that is due to the small size of the fluorine atom. So among the halogens, chlorine is having the maximum electron gain enthalpy. Now next children, chemical properties. Now before starting the chemical property children, we have to discuss the oxidation state. Now all the elements are having -1 oxidation state. All the elements are having -1 oxidation state. What is the reason? Since they are having NH2 NP5 configuration, so they gain 1 electron to complete the octet state. So all the elements are having oxidation state is -1. Clear children? But along with the oxidation state -1, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they also exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7. Along with the -1 oxidation state, they also exhibit +1, +3, +5 and also +7 oxidation state. Is it clear children? All the elements are having, since they need 1 electron to complete the octet state, they gain 1 electron and their oxidation state is -1. So along with the -1, they also show +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation states. The higher oxidation state of chlorine, bromine and iodine are due to the high electronegativity in combination with, that is, interhalogens and oxides and oxoacids. All the halogens are very reactive. They react with the metals and non-metals to form halides. And the reactivity of the halogen decreases down the group. Reactivity decreases down the group. Clear children? Oxidation state -1. Along with the -1, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they show +1, +3, +5, +7 where in combination with the other halogens, oxides and oxoacids. So they show all the types of oxidation states. Now next children, the decreasing oxidizing ability. Now what did I say? The fluorine atom has no d orbital, so therefore it cannot expand its octet state. Being the most electronegative element, it shows only -1 oxidation state. The ready to accept the electron is the reason for the strong oxidizing nature of halogens. F2 is the strongest oxidizing halogen and it oxidizes other halide ions. Now the decreasing oxidizing ability of halogen in aqueous solution down the group, we can also understand from their reduction electrode potentials, that is oxidizing property. Now next, reactivity towards hydrogen. All the elements, the first one, next property children, reactivity towards hydrogen. Now all the group 17 elements, they react with the hydrogen to form hydrogen fluoride, HCl, HBr, halides, that is HCl, HF, HBr and HI. Now children, you have to note down these points here in this particular group. Now the affinity for hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. Now some of the properties of hydrogen, first point is acidic strength of these. Acidic strength increases down the family. Acidic strength, HF lesser acidic than HCl, lesser acidic than HBr, lesser acidic than HI. HI is, please note this point children, HI is the most acidic halide. Okay children, so the acidic character of halides increases down the family. What did I say? The acidic character of the halides increases down the family. Now the next point is the stability of these halides decreases down the family due to the decrease in the bond dissociation enthalpy. Stability children, put a reverse. Stability HF more stable than HCl, more stable than HBr. So the stability and acidic character are just reverse. If the acidic character increases, stability decreases down the family. Clear children? Now next property is reactivity with the oxygen. All these elements, they react with the oxygen to form oxides. Fluorine forms two oxides, OF2 and O2F2. Fluorine forms two oxides, O2F2 and OF2. Fluorine forms two oxides, OF2 and O2F2. In these two oxides, oxygen is having the plus charge and fluorine is having the negative charge. Why? Because fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. Next point children. Now chlorine, bromine and iodine form oxides in which the oxidation state of these oxides ranges from +1 to +7. Clear children?